Hi everyone, it's Tariq from InvestorTrip.com, and a lot of you guys have been asking me questions about whether TradeKing is a good bang for your buck, and how do the commissions and the fees match up to other competitive online discount brokers. So I figured I'd just make a quick video here to show you guys why I've been using TradeKing for almost 4 years now. So trades are $4.95, and it's a flat rate. Well, that's a market or limit trade. Remember, you guys should always be using limit trades out there. And that compares very well with Scottrade, TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Option Express. I mean, with TD Ameritrade, you can be paying double what you pay at TradeKing, and with Option Express, even triple. So that's one of the reasons why I opened my account a while ago, was because I was really attracted to the low-cost trading um, scale. And even with broker assisted trades, you can call in and get some recommendations, and they won't charge you extra. Like T Ameritrade will charge you $45, whereas TradeKing realizes that you're doing business with them to save money, and there's no reason to charge you a bunch of extra money, just because you were using resources that you get as a valued TradeKing customer. Now, options trades are $4.95, and like per contract is an extra 65 cents. Remember, now every contract is worth 100 shares. So, and I don't trade options that often, but I know a lot of you guys out there do trade options, so I figured I would include this in the video and show you. So with options, it's the same flat rate, and like I said, you'll be paying 2 or 3 times more money if you go with T Ameritrade, Option Express, or E-Trade. And the per contract is one of the cheapest in the industry. Now, it's not the cheapest. I believe there's options houses out there that's even cheaper, but I'm not too familiar with them, so I can't give you guys my 100% recommendation. As you see, we can just look at some quick price charts to see the comparison. This is just for one equity trade. And let's say you are an options trader and you bought 10 contracts. You can see the price breakdown here. That's a big cost savings. And one thing I've noticed about investing is that a quick way to boost your returns is to simply lower your costs. You don't always have to get double digit returns. If you can get an 8 or 9% return consistent and keep your costs low, that translates into much bigger returns in the long run, because every dollar you spend, extra money goes to your broker. So that's just money you're losing that you could have been reinvesting and compounding. And for you guys who trade margins out there, the margin structure is pretty competitive. Like I said, Options Express has an amazing options structure because that's exactly, they're a dedicated options broker. But you will need $2,000 to get started, and you can borrow money. Although I don't recommend buying money if you're just a beginner. And some of the other fees I want to go through. Now, TradeKing also allows you to buy mutual funds, although I wouldn't recommend this. The easiest way to buy a mutual fund would go to a broker like maybe a Fidelity or an E-Trade, and you can buy mutual funds without paying any fees if you buy the company target funds. You buy bonds for $4.95. And the best thing about TradeKing is the fact there's no activity fees and there's no minimums. So you could open an account with literally $1 and keep that $1 in there and not even buy any stock, and they won't charge you any fees or anything. And they also have other standard fees like stock certificate, overnight stop deposit, and that's just regular fees. But the reason I recommend TradeKing is really that 4.95 sweet spot where you're going to save a lot of money on your trades, and the fact that you get market or limit trades, and even broker assisted help for the same flat rate. I mean, you can't beat that. So that's all for now, and check out my other videos where I do more reviews and analysis on the best brokers. And thanks for watching.